welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Temu account's password on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Temu app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you download the app, you have to open it. Then you can see at the bottom of your screen, there are Home, Categories, You and Cart. You have to select You. Once you select You option, on the top right corner, you can see there's a small settings icon. Tap on it. Then on the top of your screen, there are three green options. Those are account security, privacy and permissions. You have to select account security. Once you go into account security, you can see you can change your mobile number, email address or your password. Right beside password option, there's an edit option. Tap on that edit option and choose your new password wisely. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your password on your Temu account using your phone. I hope this video helped you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.